Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 20 seed, Knox College in Clarendon, up against number 45 seed, Lacovia High from St. Elizabeth. This is TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Knox College is represented by team captain Tajon Giverson, Mikel Douglas, Ruth Ann Blair, and Javon Brown. And Lacovia is represented by Rashane Heidel, Howard Clark, Kamisha Whiteley, and Dejon Wright. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to the 11th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Chin Irving and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Lacovia High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Lacovia High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock, please. Lacovia, Bible knowledge. Name any two of Jesus' disciples whose names begin with J.
Judas.
I'm sorry, that should have been 2. And so the answer is incomplete. Bible knowledge for Knox. Who had a coat made of camel's hair and ate locusts and wild honey?
John the Baptist. John the Baptist.
Is correct. International affairs. This is a visual one, Lacovia. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Uhuru Kenyatta.
No, it's Dr. Keith Mitchell, Grenadian Prime Minister. International affairs, a visual one for you, Knox. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Ralph Gonsalves.
That's correct. Biology, Lacovia. Which type of cells removes carbon dioxide from the body, transporting it to the lungs to be exhaled?
Oxygen.
No, it's red blood cells. Biology, Knox. What is another name for white blood cells?
Leukocytes.
Is correct. Music and audio question, Lacovia. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
TPN.
No, that's Montel Jordan. Music for you now, Knox. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Outcast.
Is correct. English language, Lacovia. Form an abstract noun from the word free.
Freedom.
Is correct. English language, Knox. Form an abstract noun from the word coward.
Cowardice.
Is correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual question for Lacovia. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Chris Hemsworth.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, a visual question. This one is for you, Knox. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr.
Yes. Lacovia, general knowledge. In which month do Jamaicans observe Teachers' Day?
May.
Is correct. Knox, general knowledge. In which month do Jamaicans celebrate Boxing Day?
December.
Correct. Sport, a visual question. Lacovia, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Shillian Fraser Price.
Yes. Sport, a visual question. Knox, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Veronica Campbell Brown.
Correct. Geography, Lacovia. The Bocas Islands lie between Trinidad and Tobago and what country?
Puerto Rico.
No, Venezuela. Geography, Knox. Pelican Island is among the 5 islands group in the Gulf of Paria in which country?
Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Chemistry, Lacovia. Which group in the periodic table includes the elements silicon, germanium, and tin?
Group 4.
No, group 14. Chemistry, Knox. Which group in the periodic table includes the elements cobalt and rhodium?
Group 9.
Is correct. Mathematics, Lacovia. The area of a rectangle is 15 square centimeters and the perimeter is 16 centimeters. What are the dimensions of the rectangle?
9 centimeters and 8 centimeters.
No, it's 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Mathematics, Knox. A rectangular field has a length 10 meters more than its width, x. What is the perimeter of the field?
20 plus 20. 2x plus 20.
2x plus 20
centimeters.
Judges? No, it would be 2x plus 20 meters. And that's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Lacovia High on 4 points and Knox College on 10 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewers Question. Our viewers' question comes from the category French. The question is, what profession is Pisha? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns after these messages.